Has this approach eliminated an existing BI tool used in the company that does not function as well as Power BI?
Well, we certainly had a long list of tools, and over time that has been reduced. I would say the one competing tool that'll probably never fully go away continues to be Excel. And we still find in rare cases where we've got people that are pulling down CSVs from E1 and pasting into Excel. That still exists, but rather than fighting that, we have instead continued to just bring people along in that journey. So a number of the other tools that had previously existed, some of them within E1, some of them bolt-ons to E1, they've pretty much disappeared. With respect to some of the more cumbersome ways of accessing data like Excel, that still exists to a certain extent, but that is slowly disappearing, especially as we see our centers of expertise bringing the rest of their team along for the journey. If you're sitting in a team meeting and somebody's able to pull up Power Pivot and get to the information immediately, then it doesn't take long before everybody else follows along.